In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from BingX to your bank account. First, it's important to know that withdrawing money to a bank account on BingX usually means a fiat withdrawal, not a crypto withdrawal. So, if your balance is still in crypto, like USDT, BTC, or ETH, you normally need to convert that crypto into a supported fiat currency first. BingX's official support pages explain this flow clearly. Convert crypto to fiat, then use the fiat withdrawal option to send the money to your bank account. Before you start, make sure your BingX account has completed identity verification. BingX says KYC is required for fiat deposit and withdrawal features, and your payout account information should match your verified identity details. This is very important because name mismatches can cause delays or failed withdrawals. Next, if your funds are still in crypto, go to your fund account and use the convert feature. BingX's guide shows that you can go to fund account, then convert, or convert fiat. Choose the crypto you want to sell, select the fiat currency you want to receive, enter the amount, and confirm the conversion. After that, the fiat balance should appear in your fiat section and be ready for withdrawal. Once your fiat balance is ready, go to Fund Account, then Withdraw, and choose Fiat Withdrawal. From there, select the fiat currency, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and add your bank account details. BingX's EUR Bank Transfer Guide shows that supported methods can include regional options like SEPA or SEPA Instant, depending on your location. That means the exact bank withdrawal options you see may be different based on your country and account eligibility. Before you confirm the withdrawal, review everything carefully. Double-check the currency, your bank details, any fees, and the final amount you expect to receive. BingX also notes that processing time can vary by method and region. Some bank withdrawals may arrive within a short time on faster rails, while others can take around 1 to 3 business days. One more thing to remember. If your goal is simply to move crypto off BingX, that is a different process. In that case, you would use the cryptocurrency withdrawal option instead of bank withdrawal. But if you want real money in your bank account, the standard flow is complete KYC, convert crypto to fiat if needed, open fiat withdrawal, add your bank details, and submit the request. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.